Hi, welcome to the Farrington channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can invest your Ethereum that you've mined prior or that you've bought and stake it into Ethereum 2 on Coinbase. So what you're going to need to do is either one, already have a Coinbase account, or two, follow the link that I will provide in the description for you. But what you're going to need to do is once you find yourself to the Asset tab on your Coinbase account, click on either the Ethereum that you have or click on the Ethereum 2. So as you can see, you're greeted by the trading view, and then you're also, it says on the side, so wrap your ETH2 to sell it or send it. Coinbase now lets you exchange ETH2 for a new token called ETH. This is called wrapping, which is a new concept for many people. So we're not going to be doing anything with that today. We're going to see the options for stake or wrap. If you choose to stake your ETH, you'll earn up to 3.77% APY at the current moment. So let's see what it says there. So you can earn interest on ETH by staking it with Coinbase. After staking, you can also sell or send it for wrapping it for free. Okay. So what you need to do is press stake ETH. Make sure you read through all the information. So you're about to stake your ETH to get Ethereum 2. Earn up to 3.77%, trade and transfer restrictions. So after you do stake this ETH, you'll be temporarily unable to sell or send your ETH2 until we enable a way to trade ETH2, which they currently have at the moment, as I mentioned with the ETH and wrapping the current token that they have on there at the moment. Sell or send your ETH2. If you want to sell or send your ETH2 after staking, you can wrap it into ETH. Okay, so you can actually stake as little as $1 as far as I'm aware when it comes to the staking. But for the sake of this video, I've already been staking for quite a while, but what I'm going to be doing is just doing a simple 1 GBP just to show the concept that it does work. Press continue. Shows the amount. Your staked ETH may be lost due to events such as validator or protocol failure. While these events are unlikely to occur, please read our users' terms for ETH2 staking carefully before proceeding. ETH2 can't be unstaked until the Ethereum network upgrade is complete. ETH2 can now be sold or sent by wrapping it for ETH. The price of ETH is determined by the market and may lose value. So by selecting stake now below, you agree into the terms and conditions. So let's press stake. And the order was submitted. Okay, so let's have a look at the ETH2 account. So as you can see there, we've got 0.79 already staked in there, and that's the transaction that's just happened just there. That's the current price as of today's value, so the 16th of the 9th, 2022. It is 1,251 GBP and 36 pence. So fingers crossed that it does have a bit of an increase. Make sure, guys, that you do check out my previous video on ETHW. What it can do is you can just make a MetaMask wallet and you'll be able to receive a free airdrop of ETHW. So that's definitely worth checking out. And if you guys would like to see any more staking videos, or you'd like to see me staking any type of currencies or any type of coins that you do currently know at the moment, please do drop those in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.